Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I'm going to talk about the WISER app. And the WISER app in 2025 continuously to be a valuable tool for individuals seeking to enhance their knowledge efficiently. Here is an in-depth review to help you determine it is right fit for your learning journey. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. As you can see, this is the WISER, and let's talk about what is really WISER. So first of all, WISER is a mobile application offering 15-minute summary of top notification books across various domains including productivity, business, health, finance, and personal development, available on both Android and iOS platforms. It caters to users who prefer concise learning through reading or listening. So if I talk about the key feature, then I will definitely talk about key feature, that is concise summaries. Let me tell you, access to growing library of book summaries designed for quick consumption, and then dual format options to either read or listen to summaries, accommodation different hearing or learning preference. Then personalization, set daily goal, track reviews, progress, and receive recommendation tailored to your interests. Also customization, adjust your font size, color theme, and highlight text to suit your reading comfort. Offline access, download summaries for offline reading or listening and sharing, learning on the go. And space repetition, enhance retention through a feature that revisit key insights over time. I hope you understand the features. Let's talk about the pros and cons about this WISER app. First of all, time efficient learning. Second, it is user friendly interface. Third, it has diverse content, covers a wide range of topic. And last one is motivational tools. So if I talk about the pros, then they have also cons side. So that is limited depth. Second is technical glitch. Third one is subscription concerns. I hope you understand what I really mean to you. Then if I talk about to user perspective, I mean the user feedback, then I will say the positive. Many users appreciate the app's ability to distill complex books into digestible summaries, aiding in quick learning and decision making. Constructive criticism, feedback highlighting areas for improvement such as enhancing the depth of summaries and resolving technical issues to improve user experience. Final verdict, the WISER app serves as a practical tool for those seeking to acquire knowledge swiftly and efficiently, while it excels in providing quick overview for various topics. Users looking for in-depth analysis may find it beneficial to use WISER as supplementary resource alongside full-length books. Being aware of potential technical and subscription related issue can help set appropriate expectation. I hope you understand. If you love this information, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.